One of the most unnerving clips shows an older woman standing silently at a front door in the middle of the night, holding a knife. She doesn't knock. She doesn't say a word. She shifts her weight from side to side and glances around nervously. At one point, she raises her hand toward the doorbell, but then hesitates and stops herself. After about 2 minutes of this strange behavior, she slowly walks away. Her identity remains unknown, and no one has been able to explain what she was doing or why she had a knife in the first place. Another clip shows a woman casually walking up to someone's front porch. Her behavior seems off, unnatural and almost robotic, until a car passes by. As the vehicle goes past, she suddenly adjusts her posture and acts completely normal, almost like she's trying not to be noticed. As soon as the car disappears, she turns back toward the house and leans in uncomfortably close to the doorbell camera, staring directly into it. The homeowner later claimed he had no idea who the woman was, and she was never seen on the property again. In another chilling moment captured by a smart doorbell, a woman is seen banging on a front door in a panic. She keeps looking behind her, clearly terrified. Moments later, a man approaches her, grabs her arm, and forcefully tries to pull her away while she pleads with him, shouting, "Please, no!" over and over.
Stop, please, no, 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 please. Stop.
The footage is disturbing, but it helped identify the man as 20-year-old Viktor Kucic. He was later charged with felony kidnapping. Thanks to the camera footage, authorities were able to intervene, and the woman received the help she needed. In this video, a home smart doorbell camera records a mysterious encounter that takes place in the middle of the night. A man approaches the front door but doesn't knock or press the doorbell. At first, it seems like strange behavior, until something unusual is noticed. Near the left edge of the screen, a car's headlights are visible, suggesting someone may be watching from inside. It becomes clear that the man isn't acting on his own. He pretends to knock, and even pretends to have a conversation with someone inside the house, carefully performing for the person watching from the car.
Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry.
From the fake conversation, it's obvious he's been sent there, possibly told to ask for someone named Matt. One viewer guessed he was being pressured to rob the home but couldn't go through with it, so he faked the whole situation to protect himself. To this day, the full motive behind this strange encounter remains unknown. In this next video, a doorbell camera records the terrifying early moments of a fire. At first, it's just a distant glow, but within seconds, the flames begin spreading quickly across a neighboring property. The fire intensifies, creeping closer to the home with the doorbell cam. The homeowner was fast asleep when multiple motion alerts woke him. After checking the video on his phone and realizing what was happening, He rushed out with a fire extinguisher, desperately trying to control the growing blaze.
Oh! Ow!
But it was already too late. The flames were too strong, and he had to flee through the back door. Thankfully, the motion alerts gave him just enough time to escape safely. That night, the doorbell camera may have saved his life. In a different clip, a woman is seen heading to do laundry when she suddenly stops in her tracks. The doorbell cam captures strange audio, a desperate voice crying out for help. The woman stands still, visibly shaken, trying to figure out where the voice is coming from. She looks around but sees no one. Confused and concerned, she calls the police, who later arrive and search the area thoroughly.
I looked around, I didn't see anybody out on the road or any cars or anything. So I went back to my Ring video to make sure I wasn't just creatively hearing something.
I can hear somebody saying something, but I can't.
Well, I posted it on there.
Despite a full investigation, no one was found and the voice was never identified. To this day, it's a mystery where that call for help came from. Another recording shows what appears to be a ghostly figure moving across a homeowner's yard in the middle of the night. The figure looks blurry, almost transparent, and seems to fade more with each step. The audio picks up soft, slow footsteps, but nothing else. When the homeowner reviewed the footage the next morning, they searched the area but found no sign that anyone or anything had been there. It's still unknown what exactly was captured on video that night. In San Diego, another doorbell camera recorded what appeared to be a routine door-to-door salesman. He rang the bell and waited patiently. The homeowner, watching through the doorbell speaker, asked what he wanted. The man said he was looking for the Robinsons at address 712, but the home he was at was number 721. When the homeowner pointed this out, the man apologized and walked away.
Is this the Robinsons residence at 712?
No, you're at the wrong house. It's 721.
Oh, I apologize for that.
But the homeowner felt something was off and reported the encounter to local police. Disturbingly, authorities confirmed the same man was suspected in a series of burglaries, breaking into at least 19 homes while pretending to be a salesman. He has yet to be caught. Finally, this clicks back to the infamous clown sighting trend of 2016. A doorbell cam records someone dressed in a full clown costume slowly walking up to a front porch. The person tilts their head to the side and stands there, silently staring straight into the camera. It seems like a prank, but there's something eerie about the way they never break eye contact. The homeowner later confirmed nothing else happened that night, but the footage left viewers deeply unsettled. Whether it was a prank or something more sinister, we may never know.